Salmon,
Sailor Money,
Emma Montez.
Oh my god, Salmon mentah. Hello.
Hi, it's been too long.
It's been too long. Omega 3.
Yeah.
Did you miss us? Cause we missed you.
We missed you.
Oh my god, guys. Akhirnya ya kita balik lagi loh.
Iya, setelah satu semester penuh sunyi itu,
Betul.
tidak ada konten-konten dimanapun.
Sebenarnya lebih dari satu semester sih ya.
Ya, lebih.
Karena kayak Salmon mentah mungkin sudah kita anak tirikan.
Iya.
Udah lama karena schedule gitu loh, kerjaan.
Ya,
And then
betul.
I think the first half of 2025 was just like, I think even kayak 2024 akhir aja tuh udah kayak hectic.
Iya, banget,
Yeah,
banget,
'cause
banget,
like,
banget.
I was trying to quit my job and everything. It was pretty hectic, and then some family matters
Ya,
happened,
betul.
and then it was just like a lot. Yeah,
It was a lot. Gue pun juga kayak kerja, udah gitu doang sih.
of
hidup gue, thank you.
course you were.
Yeah, stuck
Yeah.
in the limbo, honestly. In the limbo of corporate society and
Yeah.
capitalism.
Period.
Thank you.
Corporate Indonesia is crazy.
Yeah. But we're starting over.
Period. We're starting over on the second half of 2025.
Exactly, and it's
Period.
okay.
It's okay.
And it's okay.
Dude, remember the reel? Not real. Was it real? It was a reel. It was
Yeah.
an Instagram reel of probably like one of our first ever Salmon mentah episodes.
Yeah.
Dimana kayak new job.
Oh, it's TikTok.
Iya, iya.
Iya, iya.
Tapi kayak gue post juga
Di
di
Reels,
Reels.
iya.
Dimana gue kayak, hey, how is it? New job, new
environment,
new
status.
status.
Yay!
Itu udah kayak 2 tahun lalu coy.
Iya, gila ya.
Itu gila sih. The first of Salmon mentah podcast.
Iya.
And if you want to watch it, maybe we'll upload it on here as well. By the way, hi
Yeah.
YouTube.
Hello YouTube. Iya, gue kemarin spend most of my time mempelajari YouTube Studio and how creator program tuh sekarang YouTube kayak gimana pas segala macam.
Yeah.
Banyak banget yang baru.
Right.
Jadi please subscribe.
Yes, please.
Yeah, subscribe and like. We can do membership now
Oh,
on YouTube, so
yeah.
maybe we'll do that.
Yeah, follow us on our YouTube journey, I guess.
Exactly.
You'll see like new updates every now and then, I guess. YouTuber kah?
Itu dia. Dan terima kasih juga buat Omega 3 yang terus kayak minta kita untuk kayak YouTube dong, YouTube dong,
Iya,
YouTube dong gitu. Terus kita
bejir.
kayak masa sih idealis. Terus habis itu
gitu.
kayak bener juga sih YouTube sih ya Jakes
Iya,
gitu.
Jakes. Iya, tapi kayak now we're here and
Yeah.
we're still queer.
We're still queer, we're still sassy with that.
Gila, tapi udah 2 tahun nih kita berbencangan ria seperti ini.
Sumpah di Salmon mentah ini ya teman-teman ya.
Iya, disinilah frame kita berada ya weh.
Ya weh.
Anyways, because like it's a new start. No, it's not a new start. It's like I feel like we're starting over, tapi at the
Yeah.
same time we're also like continuing.
Yeah.
So that's kind of like life kan. Di kehidupan
Yeah.
kayak lo pasti ngerasa kayak oke, hidup terus berjalan, tapi sometimes in some aspects you're starting over, you're
Yeah.
going back, you're like re-evaluating your life or whatever the So this is how someone is trying to tackle restarting on the second half of 2025.
Yeah, exactly.
I want to start with you actually. I know there has been there have been a lot of new changes. Yeah.
Gue tuh kadang ya, gue beberapa hari yang lalu gue look back ke kehidupan gue dan konten-konten kita.
Yeah.
Setiap berapa bulan sekali itu pasti ada aja kayak, oh Emma mau mulai sesuatu yang baru, kayak, oh Emma gini. And then I pull up my birth chart. I have Scorpio rising and Scorpio
Right.
talks about rebirth. Terus kan, makanya gue kemarin kayak ngepost di story kayak Omega 3 maaf banget ya. Kayak dikit-dikit kayak baru, dikit-dikit
Yeah.
ganti, dikit-dikit apa, kayak it's just me.
Yeah. it's
Tapi
okay.
ya, I'm starting over.
Yeah.
Akhirnya I quit my job.
Period. She's been making content about it.
Yeah.
If you haven't already, follow Emma on TikTok and Instagram, girl. It's here. Emma Montez.
Yar, gue kayak kemarin tuh gue sempat berpikir, you know what, I'm just gonna be real and kayak apa adanya aja di channel gue, kayak
Channelmu.
channel gue, like in my page untuk kayak mungkin ada hari-hari dimana gue kayak what am I doing, kayak hari ini gue masih ngapain ya. Kebetulan untungnya seminggu ini kita kayak sibuk banget gitu, jadi kayak belum berasa. Tapi ya I'm starting over.
Yes.
Gue sekarang bangun kayak if I wanna wake up siang, I wake up siang bro. Kayak iya, walaupun hari-hari pertama gue jam 7 pagi gue udah resah. Jam 8, jam 9 biasanya gue udah mulai buka laptop kerja. Gue kayak gitu. Kemarin gue lagi ngedate yang status yang itu tidak berubah ya. Alhamdulillah. Yang itu tidak berubah. Tapi we talked about kayak gue bilang kebiasaannya tuh yang berbeda buat gue ya. Buat gue pribadi sekarang adalah biasanya kalau di kantor kan kesibukan itu yang datang ke lo.
Betul.
Lo tidak mencari kesibukan itu. Yang ini tuh lo mencari kesibukan itu, tapi at the same time gue juga belajar ini Mat, untuk kayak gue harus mindful. Kayak gak semuanya gue harus kerjain sekarang.
Betul itu.
Kayak oke, hari ini gue masih kerjain apa. Kayak kemarin kita sempat ada kerja bareng di rumah gue. Terus habis itu kita kayak, gue yang tadinya mau ngedit, ternyata turns out hari itu gue bener-bener mesti housekeeping, mindahin file. Cuman itu doang.
Yep.
Terus gue kayak it's okay.
Dude, I think we did a lot though.
Oh, we did a lot sih sebenarnya.
Jadi kayak I feel like you're just like being too hard on yourself.
Iya, dan itu yang gue jadi kayak satu, gue belajar itu kayak don't be too hard on yourself.
That's true.
Gue bilang sama Gemat kayak seminggu pertama ini gue onboarding dulu ya. Kayak gue banyak kayak bentar gue rasain dulu ya semuanya, gue pelajari lagi, gue digest. Tapi at the same time juga gue anjir ini to be really serious with everyone. Gue gak pernah se-happy ini, Mat. I'm so happy. Gue happy banget. Karena mungkin, apa ya, ini we talked about this like every day selama seminggu ini adalah, gila ya semua ini tuh divine timing.
Iya.
Ya gak sih?
That's true.
Kayak, I mean you're kinda, you know, slowly, progressing after what happened di semester pertama. Gue pun juga kayak udah akhirnya, at least like I know myself more untuk kayak jadi kayak meletak meletak tol, tapi kayak gue happy banget sih. I'm so happy kayak
I think it's like gue ngerti sih kayak starting over, like starting something new itu pasti kayak banyak anxiety, there's a lot of fear, and probably like Omega 3 juga kayak pasti relate lah, kayak ada banget lah fase-fase dimana kayak damn do I really gotta do this, but if you made it to the other side, props to you, because that takes some courage, dude.
Exactly.
And like me knowing what happened firsthand, itu gila banget. Maksudnya kayak even when you were trying to take that leap of faith, banyak banget kayak yang nahan, but you're like, she pushed through, guys. And that's why Emma's here right now. So that is a slay on her vibe.
Dan gue jadi belajar banget kayak you have to be in tune with yourself. Untuk lo tahu, karena sebenarnya di hari pertama gue resign dan keluar, gue ditelepon sama bos gue untuk diperpanjang, and he said I'm ready to throw money at you. Terus gue kayak, ini kalau gue sebenarnya gue ambil sih, tapi kayak again because you're in tune with yourself, lo tahu betul what you need right now in life. Jadi gue menolak itu dengan kencang. Gue kayak I'm so sorry I can't.
Dude, I think I went through a similar situation pas di kantor gue yang dulu.
Oh ya.
Cause like bener-bener bos gue juga nanyain apa sih obstacle lo atau mungkin yang nahan lo, yang bikin lo pengen cabut tuh apa sih? Duit lo mah naik gaji. So gue kayak I don't think naik gaji would be able to change my lifestyle the lifestyle that I want gitu. Kayak I wanted to be healthier, I wanted to focus on like my own shit. Like at that time gue kan pengen cabut karena gue ngamen. Gue nyanyi, which I'm going back to it again, period.
Dan ada gue di samping itu kayak
fix abis.
Ada banget gue masih di situ.
Pasti ada.
Gue akan kembali menjadi fan girl.
Itulah
secara full time.
Itulah hype man kita, slay bell. Tapi ya begitulah, pasti kayak baik banget yang nahan. But if you believe in yourself and you feel like that's the right thing to do, then pasti akan kedorong kejadian sih, for the better.
Selain sebenarnya kayak with gue yang starting over sama Mentah is starting over as well.
Yeah, that's actually very true. Cause like look at this, new platform, new schedule,
New system to be honest.
new system, like jadi kita tuh kan cewek-cewek fire sign yang sebenarnya kayak okay, we act upon like not impulse, tapi kayak kalau misalnya ada nih seru, let's go gitu kan.
Iya, betul.
But kayaknya gara-gara kita juga udah biasa kayak doing creative work and like freelance work juga, there's a need of structure, and I think that works best with like the both of us karena by following structure kita juga jelas kayak how to maintain that passion and that spark alive gitu. Bukan di relationship ya. Thank you.
Tapi di relationship juga harus ada struktur ya teman-teman ya.
Sekali saya. Harus ada kayak KPI-nya. KPI-nya apa ya? Wah,
Takut banget.
Kita weekly stand up meeting di cafe mana ya? Yeah dong.
Iya, gue pribadi gue kangen banget sih. Tadi pagi gue bilang sama Gemat pas kita lagi beli kopi, gue kangen banget ngedit podcast.
Yeah,
Kayak,
that's true.
oh my gosh, thank you. Gue kayak masih soaking in anjing. Gue kayak, ih gila, Mike ini
Iya, pokoknya senang banget deh.
Yeah.
I hope you guys are also like happy seeing us with these mics again, because I'm very happy with the audio quality. Cause like, you know, our past, nggak our past content, tapi kayak we have expanded into mobile, apa ya namanya, wireless mics. And sometimes we just need these.
Ya, dan kita udah melewati masa-masa di mana podcast kita merekam dengan webcam. Girl, we've been there.
Tahu gak sih, kayak pertama banget tuh Salman Mentah tuh kayak mic gua satu sebelum kita beli.
Itu kayak started from the bottom, now we here.
Now we here,
Now
bitch,
we
period.
here.
Gila
Tapi
sih.
it takes courage as well.
Yeah,
Untuk
that's
kita
true.
kayak invest. I remember the first time kayak gue bilang sama Gemat, Mat, let's record sama Mentah HQ, HD, whatever the fuck that is. Terus Gematnya kayak, bitch, are you sure? Tapi kayak, yeah dude, like ayo let's go HD.
Iya, karena waktu itu kan kita platformnya was like Noise ya.
Noise, iya.
And thank you so much Omega 3 yang udah download Noise demi nonton sama
Iya. Sekarang kalian gak perlu.
Ya, sekarang
Ya.
nggak apa di YouTube kita
YouTube.
menuruti kalian ya akhirnya, meskipun mungkin udah telat setahun. But yeah, we're finally here.
Yeah, I think like YouTube, you gotta be ready for us, bitch.
Nanti kita akan belajar untuk mengedit yang lebih slaybail, but in the
Yeah.
meantime, I know you guys love it when we just like chit chat. So
Yeah.
I think that's like that's gonna be like the main thing anyway.
Exactly, kayak kita beli mic. Oh my god, ya ini juga
She's a
satu leap
blogger.
of faith gue. Kayak gue bilang sama Gemat, kayak for so long gue bilang sama Gemat kayak, Mat, gue butuh punya kamera gear lagi. Terus Gemat kayak, girl, you don't have to, it's fine.
Yeah.
Gak usah apa segala macam. No, kayak harus sih. I fell in love
Dia
with
ingin
you.
guys, dialah yang menginginkan perkameraan vlogger ini loh,
Iya.
weh.
Karena sebagai DOP itu sendiri.
Bombastic side eye.
Karena gue suka, jujur gue kayak suka banget produksi aja. Gue kayak,
It's
gue suka
giving
banget.
media.
Yeah.
It's giving PH,
Yeah.
bukan PHP. Thank you.
Thank you. Dan gue suka maksudnya us sharing this ke Omega 3 for you to, ya kita mentah-mentahan menceritakan kayak sama mentah tuh
Great.
kita apa aja sih yang kita lakukan. Oh, we're starting new series as well.
Oh ya, oh it's gonna be fun. Kita kemarin
it's
udah
so fun.
upload di TikTok sih ya.
Ya, belum di YouTube. nanti
Yeah,
di
we're
YouTube.
thinking about it, but for sure sama mentah di sini dulu. So if you wanna like hear us yap, I would probably upload the old episode so y'all can catch up.
Exactly.
Maybe y'all forgot already.
Speaking of catch up, girl, let me catch up with you. Let me catch up with you on your new job. Karena semua orang, ini lucu sih. Semua orang pas tahu gue dan Gemat tahun lalu sekantor, semua pada kayak, Gemat kantor. Awal tahun ini, kayak pas gue bilang Gemat resign. Kayak, lo juga, oke, gue tuh memang kayak rebirth terus, tapi kalau Gemat tuh selalu kayak new things terus gitu. So what's up with your girl? What is it?
Yeah, I tried really hard to quit my job. Kayaknya situasi kita lumayan mirip ya.
Mirip.
I mean like besides from the same company.
Company.
Bisa gitu aja. Gue juga ditahan kan sama atasan gue kayak you'll come back right, I'm like girl no. Karena kayak I got a big project and I felt like I'm very passionate about it.
Yeah.
I'm still trying very hard to kind of like navigate in the industry, I guess. Karena
It's a new industry
it's
for you
hard.
kan?
Karena it's hard before the launch. It's kind of hard because like nobody knows that I was doing that.
Yeah.
Jadi kayak we just gotta be patient. Omega 3 pasti bakal tahu. Yang paling pertama juga. But yeah, there's been like a lot going on. I'm trying to go back to like content creating, I guess, because again gue kayak freelancing. Tadi juga udah sempat gue bilang kayak I'm going back to singing, girl.
Exactly.
Like I know I've been like releasing like single, and then I became single.
Nah, ini dia new status, new status Uce.
And then I became the single itself. Sebagai single itu sendiri.
Tinggal itu sendiri.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ya gitu, so like coming back ke dunia ngamen, alhamdulillah banget ya ada opportunity yang slay
Yeah.
di Jacksel area. So kalau mau ketemu, mau menonton aku,
Yeah, and like please stop dengan kayak segala party kayak girl, sometimes you just need live music back again.
dude iya, dan kayaknya gara-gara kemarin itu COVID kan, jadi kayak orang-orang lebih hati-hati ya milih entertainment.
Yeah.
Dan kayak milihnya juga kayak yang mungkin lebih ekonomis. Jadi kayak they would like choose like DJs or like selectors, curators. But I think now like the social scene is on again, so people are like mereka pengen nonton live music, live band and everything, which is like great for like the live bands. Dude, kayak banyak banget live band, kayak band-band bar dan cafe dan hotel yang emang bagus-bagus banget. Yang kayak I can't wait to watch them again.
Oh my god, kita mesti main ke ada jazz bar yang ada dua, ada dua.
Gunslinger bukan sih? Gunslinger tuh suka kayak ngundang this like jazzy band gitu.
Iya.
Yang penyanyinya cewek.
Iya. Yang ceweknya yang Chinese atau yang
Yeah, yang Chinese,
Oke, ada
I
satu
think.
lagi this black girl.
That's like a hotel, no?
It's a hotel.
St. Regis bukan? Gue lupa
Kayak
deh.
St. Regis, bener St. Regis. Kayak kita harus
Yeah,
ke sana
I've
sih.
heard. Oh my
like,
god, we should check it out.
walaupun gue bakal bencong banget lagi di sana, gue kayak
It's okay. Period. I think kayak di meja kita akan kayak gitu.
ya kayak pas lagi runs.
Let's run. Yes.
Kayak,
throw, girl. Show that throw, dude.
Takut tuh kayaknya.
Jangan ya, bestie.
But
Keren
yeah,
ya, seru.
so gila sih, tapi kayak new at the same time like it's so funny lo step into a new world. Dimana
Yeah.
gue kemarin sempat nemenin lo kan kayak ke dunia ini, ke
Yeah.
circle ini. Gue kayak damn is different like gitu deh. Tapi kayak maksudnya seru gue ngeliatnya karena apa ya, gue suka industri lo yang baru ini karena gue appreciate juga. Dan bedanya sama of course content creation tuh pasti punya team and
yeah.
everything, of course semuanya is a teamwork. Tapi industri lo yang baru ini kayak peran sekecil apapun tuh kayak mereka tuh slay, ngerti gak
Yeah,
sih?
they
Dan
have to
kayak
slay.
for you to like, and everyone celebrates each other juga gitu loh. Jadi
Iya.
kayak oh my god, ternyata dia yang itu. Oh my god,
Iya,
itu
oh my God,
kayak
kemarin.
so fun.
Dude, gue sih merasa bersyukur dan I feel I feel blessed basically. #blessed. Karena the team that I worked with di project ini tuh kayak semuanya supportive banget.
Iya,
Even though
banget.
kayak pasti ada aja orang yang kayak ya nyinyir kayak apa kayak, or like mungkin dia gak suka sama gue or whatever, tapi kayak we keep it professional dan kayak semua orang mendukung gitu.
Iya.
So I'm really looking forward to really dive into this industry. But I like how, speaking of starting over,
Iya.
music is something that I'm starting over with, kayak live performance, karena again recording and like performing live is so
Yeah.
different. Gue tuh agak claustrophobic sebenarnya. Not in a like literal sense, tapi gue tuh terkadang nggak suka di dalam studio, di dalam vocal booth tuh gue ngerasa nggak nyaman. Gue lebih nyaman obviously on stage karena aku bencong sejati.
Itulah dia.
Itulah banci tampil itu.
Itulah dia, Bancil.
Bampil.
Sakit dong sayang.
GWS.
GWS total.
So it's,
Yeah.
it's fun. And I'm single, so I'm back on the apps or whatever.
Gue suka banget, gue kayak itu sangat menyenangkan dan kayak
Dude, the first time that we ever met, gue single.
No, you just
we
broke
up.
We broke up at the same
Similar
time.
time, yeah,
Similar
yeah.
time dengan orang yang sama-sama Gemini. Maksudnya bukan orang yang
Yeah.
sama, tapi kayak sama-sama Gemini.
Untung tipe kita berbeda.
Ya beda banget say. Kayak Gemot kayak oh my god so hot. Gue kayak slay. Gemot kayak gue kayak anjing ganteng banget tuh kayak Gemot. Sorry.
Kayak,
Gak
I don't
bagus.
see it. I don't see it.
Gue kayak oke I guess.
Awkward.
Makanya gue kalau validasin cowok ganteng atau enggak sih Omat.
Omat ya.
Gue validasi ke
Kalian
sana
sih
kayak
tipenya sama
Omat
ya.
gak sih?
Iya. Tapi kalau yang gempal-gempal aku dan Ino.
Ya, itu dia. Oh my gosh,
Oh
but
my.
how's dating life? I mean, gue mendengarkan semua curhatan-curhatan Gematnya kayak gue masih balas apa kalau dry kayak gini.
Dude, okay. First of all, ini udah bukan opini, ini fakta. Men suck.
Yeah.
Men f***ing suck, okay?
Yeah.
Jadi kayak trying to start a conversation is hard. In like for their part.
Yeah.
Karena gue ngerasa, I chat, I'm a yapper, jadi
Yeah.
kayak I can just like ask anything. Ingat gak sih satu chat yang gue kasih tunjuk kayak, hi, hello, hey, hi,
Hello. Gue bilang sama Gemat, terusin aja Mat.
jujur, gue kira itu bakal berlanjut sampai kayak besok, ngerti gak lo? Ternyata dia kayak, where are you, how are you?
Dia udah capek, dia udah
Iya,
menyerah.
Udah kayak, oh udah kebanyakan nih, hey hi hello nya, udah 4 nih. Kayak, lu bilang hi duluan, gue balas hello, lu hi lagi, yang goblok siapa? Bukan keyboard lo kan yang goblok, kesel banget gue.
Capek sih.
Dude, ini kayak starting over ini, like being on the apps is like exhausting, dude. Karena
Iya.
kayak
Gue gak bisa sih, gue dari dulu kan memang gak bisa ya.
lo kalau kita kirim voice note bernyanyi yang tidak dibalas itu yang ternyata adalah teman
Ones! Yang ternyata adalah teman pacarku.
Simba dasar kau.
Jack.
Kau Jack Simba.
Itu dia.
Oh my lord.
Kakiku gak boleh. Gak free.
Oh, ya boleh. Tapi gue sih tetap have fun, cause like
Yeah.
I like to bully people, men.
But like,
I
yeah,
like to bully
exactly.
men.
Exactly. Tapi lo juga kayak, you met few cute ones, right?
I met a few cute ones. Some
Yeah.
cute ones they don't know how to yap, but some cute ones they know how to yap.
Yeah.
Jadi gue appreciate, dan ada juga yang kayak very cheeky from the start, but I haven't really met anyone. Masa kayak in person.
Yeah.
And it's been a long time since I last dated. I gotta work on my self-confidence first.
Tapi itu juga sih, kayak one day kita mesti ngobrol juga, dan mungkin kita, one day kita mesti ngobrol tentang dating
Yeah.
while you have a social platform.
Dude, and dating in your 30s.
Period. Aku relate 100% starting bulan depan. bulan depan. Karena bulan depan aku umur 30 dan itu aku tahu akan berbeda.
Aduh, pasti seru banget sih.
Ya.
Tapi kayak being single, this is my first time being single in my 30s, because when I turned 30 I was in a relationship.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Yeah.
Jadi kayak sekarang kayak wow, things are like the same tapi they are so different. So gue kayak I literally just like don't take people's bullshit anymore. Like if you're boring, you're boring.
Ya, dan itu kayak semua orang di usia kita,
Yeah.
30 specifically.
Yeah.
Kayak dating in your 30s tuh itu kayak don't
Yeah.
take any bullshit
Yeah,
anymore.
benar. Cause like I know people are like more intentional in terms of like dating. Jadi kayak biasanya tuh orang di umur 30. I don't know about like other women ya. But like the men that I saw on the apps, they're like udah langsung state gitu di banyak kayak, okay, looking for ini. Gue maunya orang gini-gini. Jadi gue kayak okay, slay. Tapi terkadang they still don't know what they want.
Exactly.
Jadi gue kayak
Exactly. Tapi gue nggak ngerti ya kenapa kayak it's the year of the snake. Kayak a lot of kayak starting over,
shedding old skin.
Yeah, lagunya Cantika Start Over, now play.
Let's start over. Tadi emang udah dengerin di mobil tapi dia belum hafal.
Iya betul, maaf Cantika.
Maaf sayang aku. It's okay, it's alright.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's one of my favorite songs.
Yeah, and tapi gue nggak ngerti kenapa kayak Cancer season ini memang sebuah apa ya momen. Tapi gue ngerti sih in a way. Because Cancer itu kan vibe-nya mother, right?
Nurture.
And nurture. it's more inwards than other signs gitu kan. Semua orang Cancer, makanya semua orang Cancer tuh kayak crier lah, tukang nangis apa segala macam emotional. Karena kayak baperan, lovers. Jadi banyak look inwards gitu kan. Tadi gue sama Gemat menemukan kata-kata afirmasi untuk sarsain kita. Maaf untuk Omega 3 yang bukan Leo dan Aries, bukan we don't love you, but this is for Leo and Aries.
We're just
only.
very self-centered. Look
Yeah,
at us.
exactly.
A Leo and an Aries, of course we're self-centered.
Exactly. Kalau nggak kita nggak mulai podcast ini kalau kita nggak self-centered.
That's
Thank
true. Thank you.
Okay.
Coba.
I'm gonna read affirmation nih yang gue, karena gue pas baca ini gue kayak dalam sekali. Siapa suruh sedalam ini? I retreat deeper into the unfolding mystery of life. I surrender to the inner waters of silence as they cleanse my field. I honor the tremendous power that comes from being still. Di saat energi gue lagi 1000% dan gue gak bisa diem. Thank you.
Thank you. You gotta learn how to stay still.
Tapi iya sih, gue tuh, oh my god, gue belum cerita. Hari kedua gue sudah terlepas dari dunia kapitalisme ini.
Oh wow.
Dunia korporat sih sebenarnya, kita kapitalisme mah selalu ada ya, Jax. Hey, di dunia korporat ini gue berendam di kolam renang sejam, bener-bener kayak,
oh iya kemarin aja.
iya gue kayak banyak refleksi diri, terus gue kayak, oh my god terharu. Terus habis itu kayak berenang, aneh banget.
Oh, you were literally in the water.
In the water ya, dan moon gue Cancer by the way.
My Mars is Cancer.
Exactly, that's why when you angry you cry. Gemat kalau lagi marah. Emang gue kayak, okay, I'm just gonna be here, babe. Okay. Yeah. Terus kayak coklat, kue.
Dude, my anger is so overwhelming. I mean, an Aries with anger management issues with a Mars Cancer.
Aduh, iya. Tapi
komplikasi.
Tapi itu betul sih, kayak gue banyak mengerti kayak, oh kenapa gue tiba-tiba hidup gue diarahkan seperti ini, seperti itu apa segala macam, kayak oh divine timing kenapanya harus kayak gini, kenapa harus kayak gitu. Jadi kayak ya untuk mengerti mystery of life dan apa yang semesta ingin sampaikan kepadaku. Ubudian juga gue. Ubudian. Oke, yang ini ada Aries. Gaman, read it out.
Okay, so for Aries in this Cancer season, quote-nya adalah, I feel the nourishment and support of my inner foundation.
Period.
I honor home as a sanctuary for my emotional safety. Cibel.
Untuk Mars Cancermu
itu sayang. Exactly. I know that when I come home to myself, my heart feels safe enough to remember.
Oh gosh. My heart feels safe enough to remember. God damn.
Gue tuh juga kayak sebenarnya there are a lot of things that I tend to forget, dan gue selalu percaya kalau otak gue itu protecting myself.
Period.
Jadi kayak udah lo jangan inget dulu deh kayak masa-masa yang traumatic or like whatever, because like it's like protecting myself. So hopefully like in the future I can kind of like come to terms with like whatever it is that I'm going through, and I can come back to myself as my sense of comfort.
Ya, dan you actually feel safe when the time is right untuk lo revisit that again.
Yeah, that's true, to like self-reflect better. Tapi ini menurut kalau dari affirmation ini sih gue dapatnya adalah kayak go back to what feels right to you. And kayaknya emang pas banget dengan tema kita yang starting over. I feel like what makes me feel safe is literally just like doing someone, being myself, and trying to embrace like my passions, unlimited passions yang
I love
literally bikin gue bingung pas ditanya sama orang kayak, oh you do this, you do that, you do this, you do that, like what's your main thing? My main thing is me, bitch.
Exactly.
Like, I don't got one main thing, bitch. Like that's crazy.
Gue tuh kemarin sampai kayak gue cuma ngechat cowok gue, I got so much to do list. Kayak stop adding to it. Kayak dia tuh suka kayak, kamu mendingan bikin ini aja. Dia kayak he's a creative mind person juga kan. Dia gue kayak bentar. Tapi iya, benar. Yeah, just to be with yourself. Pas banget.
Iya, ini pas banget, Jakes.
Pas banget.
Exactly.
Gue tuh juga kemarin sempat menemukan satu TikTok yang ngebahas tentang 10th house.
Oh iya, girl,
Yeah,
it was so interesting.
It's so interesting. Kita akan nge-play videonya di sini.
Which sign rules over your 10th house? Pull up your birth chart. I'll wait for you. Because this is just a cheat code, okay? I think it's really funny how people are like, oh my god, Scorpio risings are like so mysterious. Like, I'm a Scorpio rising and I can tell you, I could be mysterious, but I also don't know how to show up. And that's because I have Leo ruling my 10th house. If you know anything about Leos, these fools, they shine light, right? They're ruled by the sun. So yeah, just remember your 10th house is your public image, it's your reputation. And the sign that rules that house, like, that's what you're gonna give off.
Period. Dan gue tuh baru sadar kalau 10th house gue itu tuh ada di sama kayak videonya.
Di mana itu ya? Scorpio ya? Apa sih? Iya, Scorpio. Your 10th house is Scorpio.
No, Leo.
Huh?
Leo, my 10th house is in Leo.
Okay.
Ya, my 10th house is in Leo. Tapi rising gue Scorpio. Jadi kayak 10th house itu kan ngomongin tentang kayak career, ya kayak video tadi gitu kan. Jadi kayak oke, memang meant to like shine.
Iya. Okay.
Kayak gitu kan. Terus gue kayak pantesan kayak oke, ini agak side track dikit tapi nyambung. Kemarin tuh cowok gue tuh ngomong, Salmon pokoknya tap into your weirdness. Karena kalian berdua tuh orang aneh. Gitu kan. Anehnya gue kayak gue
freak itu.
kita anak freak dan gue belajar sekarang tuh embrace kayak memang gue bacot banget dan gue gak bisa diem gitu kan. Dan kayak gitu kan. Memang Leo aja kayak gitu. Nah 10th house gue di sana jadi memang kayak gue shining ketika gue kayak gitu kan. Tapi at the same time rising gue Scorpio.
Yeah.
Jadi ada sisi dimana kayak gue agak kayak I wanna be mysterious. I'm just letting you know what I want you to know.
Freak.
Sedangkan Gemet 10th house-nya ada di
Capricorn.
Itulah makanya teman-teman, setiap kali kita lagi berdua doang nih di mobil, gue kayak lagi atau balas-balas chat. Jadi gue kemarin ngomong sama ini, terus dia ngajakin kita meeting di sini. Terus habis itu gue juga kepikiran sih, menurut gue kayaknya kita tuh bisa expand segala macam. Gue tuh kemarin sampai bilang gue lagi ngedate, gue tuh bilang kayak gila Gemet business minded menyala abangku. Gue kayak girl, I'm just going through day by day. Dia kayak, gak, kita harus ini segala macam gitu. Terus kayak, yeah of course your 10th house is in Capricorn.
Yeah, you gotta seize every opportunity. And I believe I attract abundance. Jadi kayak, whatever comes my way, I have to like embrace it and make smart moves gitu loh. Jadi kayak, I think this like Capricorn 10th house juga bikin gue yang kayak, ini, itu,
Which is
gitu.
bagus sih, karena 10th house gue Leo. Jadi gue kayak, ini kembali kayak, iya, ada opportunity di sini.
Let's go. Freak banget.
Dan Leo maksudnya kayak, I think we're a good combination. Karena kayak Gemet, when it comes to like numbers, contracts apa segala macam itu memang gue lebih kayak
That's your
menyala.
Virgo.
Iya,
Yeah.
that's gue aja sih kayak lebih bentar
She's
gue lebih detail
oriented.
gitu kan.
Yeah.
Tapi when it comes to like strategy itu memang di Gemet gitu kan.
Strategy. Well, look at me. Yeah.
Gitu. Jadi kayak oper-operannya tuh lucu, ini buat Salmon mental only. Jadi kayak Gemet tuh biasanya yang kayak kita bisa ini kita bisa itu gimana caranya ya. Terus gue kayak berhitung. Oh ini bisa, kita gini-gini aja. Oke, yuk kita ngobrol. Disitulah saya halo.
Kalau udah kayak client facing, emang kayak sayang.
Gue bisa kayak oh my god how are you. Terus gue kayak
gak bisa. Kenapa ya? Padahal rising gue Aries loh. Apa gue terlalu galak ya?
enggak sih,
Gue gak
kayak
galak loh.
gue Leo tuh lebih bullshit aja. lebih bisa kayak handle bullshit aja gitu.
Yeah, okay.
Tapi of course ketika kayak lagi whenever kayak kita ketemu sama seseorang atau siapapun gitu, vibe check gue adalah Gemet. Jadi kalau Gemet yang kayak radarnya kayak antenanya gitu, gue kayak oke, peresnya dikurangin. Gitu. But yeah, I think knowing 10th house gue tuh lumayan life changing sih buat gue.
That's nice. I didn't know what it was.
Lumayan shocking buat lo.
Iya, gems. Like, gue gak ada lagi Capricorn placement selain
10th house.
ada gak ya? Nanti gue cek.
Yeah, but
So yeah, with like all this like combined energies, we're starting over. Hopefully Omega 3 masih ada sama kita along for the ride.
Ya, dan juga buat teman-teman yang baru pertama kali melihat dua alien ini berbincang-bincang, selamat datang.
XG kah kita?
Jadi, apa sih dia gimana sih?
I just learned a new
kan, gini kan.
dance. Nih Wolf.
Wow. XG.
Yeah.
Jadi kayak kalau kalian orang baru dan melihat who is that two
Who
baddies, you know, you're always welcome in the Omega 3 world.
Period.
Hopefully mulai hari ini dan kedepannya kita bisa create a space for Omega 3s to like
Chat.
chat,
Have fun.
be weird.
And be yourselves.
Exactly.
Period. So thank you so much guys for listening and watching.
Yes.
We'll see you on the next episode.
Bye.